welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode. Guys, we have received some new items. I will show them over here, and as you can see, it's a very big package. So guys, I want us to unbox together this new package So guys, I want us to unbox this package together so that you can see what we have brought this time. And as I keep telling you guys, you need to go for it. And if you're able to bring bulky items, like you bring them via sea, it makes a lot of sense, guys, when you're importing. So unbox with me, you see what I've brought in there. And I can't wait to show you what I've brought. Guys, as I've told you, we do have a new package. Look at that. It's a huge package, so unbox with me, so that we can see. I'm so excited. They've really packed it well. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. So we have a lot of this. I will come and show them over here. Guys, we have a lot of this. So let me open one of these and show you. We have ever brought this another time, guys. These are the 2-piece pajama sets, guys. The cotton, it's full cotton, guys, and the prints are so nice.
Wow,
you can see it.
Yes.
So it comes a top and a bottom, as you can see, guys. So we have a lot here. For it's ranging between 0 to like 6 years. I need to confirm that. So we have a lot, guys, as you can see, different prints. So I need to open all this and select. So we had a lot of people who had pre-ordered, guys. I remember there are even others which look like a short set, so I'll be able to check out all that, and I'm going to show you guys. So in our WhatsApp group, there's some people who pre-ordered this, and I know they're going to be so excited that they have gotten here, guys. This thing are pure cotton. This is pure cotton, guys. So this is something your baby can be able to wear when sleeping. They can also use it as a lounge wear, guys. So I'm super excited that this order is finally here. So I want us to unbox it fully so that we are able to see if I've gotten all the items as I should. Guys. So as you can see, guys, we have a lot. So make sure you do come and visit us, guys. I'm going to be pinning our location. Guys, we have very nice prints, guys, as you can see. Very nice ones. A lot of them, guys. As you can see. Wow, this is a short set. Let me show you how one looks. This is the top. and this is the bottom. Yeah, you can see, guys. So guys, we as you can see, I'm coming to you in a new location, guys. So right now we are at Samagat building, shop A2, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to be pinning it down, yeah, in the description box. Come and shop with us. Come and shop. We have a lot of things that are on the way coming, guys. And for those of you who still want to be trained on how to import from China to Kenya, make sure you do come and talk to me on my number. It's 0715 660 466, and I'm going to be able to assist you to be able to bring such things, guys. I'm telling you, guys, bringing such things was so cheap because there are a lot of them, as you can see, guys. Yeah, so yeah, talk to me, guys, and until the next video, bye bye.